When did you guys start your lean journey?
Okay, so that's another good story. We're a job shop, there, so it was a lot of departments and coming up. But we were mentored by a person, and probably one of the smartest persons that I've had the pleasure to meet, Jorge Wong. I give him a little plug, but he's a very humble but very bright person. And he said, you guys have a lot of good bones. You're doing SBC, you have this and that, but you're missing lean. And we're like, lean, all right. So he goes, I think you should go to this class down in Celebration, Florida, right? And we said, okay. So we signed up for it, went down there, and myself and our general manager, John Beloga, went there. And it was headed up by LEI, right? Yeah. So we're sitting there, and I'm looking at the book. The book says, it says John Shook. And all of a sudden, hello, I'm John Shook. So I'm like, oh, man. Yeah, we're in the right spot. Yeah. And they did the roll call, and the roll call was Amazon, John Deere, Westinghouse, Cessna. And I'm like, PMP? But it was a really good class, and it really opened our eyes. So when we came back, we did everything that John Shook, and it was Jim Womack was the other gentleman there who he's pretty well known. Yep. So we got our small victories first, and then we started moving around, and we said, hey, let's move a lathe next to a miller. Now that was, it didn't go over too big in the corner office when we first went to go do it. Actually, John and I went into my father's office. He was the president at the time, and he goes, what are you doing? I said, well, we're practicing lean. We're moving. I don't know if you can do that. I said, well, this is where the family thing comes in, because I was able to say, don't waste our time. Right. Either we're going to do it or we're not going to do it. He won't tell you that, but I'll tell you that. And he basically said, I'm watching you. Go ahead, do it. And then after that, it was, when's your next one? When are you doing it again? So, and it's really helped us. The single piece flow, your quality goes up so much better.